Yes, ma'am.
ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुत्पदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं सावधूतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्त नमस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, गुरु महाराज की जय, आप सब भक्त वृंद की जय। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते कृतदास अधिकारी नामिने। Hare Krishna. So today's topic is currency of the spiritual world. So let's start with currency. What do you mean by currency? Anybody wants to give us some small points? Anybody wants to speak? Or maybe you can message. What
Hare
is
Krishna,
currency?
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. It's a Naam Jap.
Oh, you're going directly to the greatest point. I just asked you what is currency. Small, in lateral language, what do you understand by the word?
It's a common product exchange for products and services.
Yeah. Something which has a value
Correct.
and yeah, something which is a value in a particular country. That is the complete definition, right? In a particular country. And it is, in Hindi, we say it earth, economic value, earth. And then anything which has a value in one country may not have value in another country because every country has a different currency, right? Like in India, we have rupees. In Europe, we have euro. Russia has ruble. US has dollars. So everywhere, the currency is different. And a currency having a value in one country loses its value in another country, right? Are we getting the point? If anybody has some issue, they can, of course, speak in between. Okay? Yeah. So then we are saying value, which currency means it has a value in one country and it loses its value in another country. If a man comes from America and he wants to purchase a bottle of Bisleri in India, can he purchase? Can he purchase with all his dollars?
Not without converting, Mataji.
Not without converting. Yes. I think, let me see, who is that?
Your servant, Dhir Krishna Das, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Dhanvat Pranam.
Yes, Hare Krishna Roji. I just recognized your voice. Maybe it's the Krishna Prabhu. Okay. Thank you, Prabhuji. So yes, without converting, we cannot use it. And for the conversion, we have to go to the foreign exchange office, right? Now, foreign exchange office will do our work and it will convert the money. And it will convert the currency from dollars into rupees. And same for the person who visits America with Indian rupees, with all his money, with all his buildings, with all his land, he cannot purchase. He needs the money to be converted. Now, same is this material world. Now, our topic is currency of the spiritual world. But first of all, we would like to understand what is currency of this material world. Currency means which is valuable here. It will lose its value there. It is valuable here. So what are these? What is this currency? These currencies are, any guesses? Or shall I speak?
Materials like academics, wealth.
Wealth. Yeah, it's good. Any more guesses? Few more points. Ati Akarshani, anger, greed. Yeah, nice. Of course, these things you said are good, but why are we doing all this? Why are we collecting money? Hannah, let's go to the deeper to the point. Why are we collecting why academics, degrees? Why are we doing all this? For money, right? And what makes us to go and collect all this? To live here nicely. Because we want our roots to be here. Material world, we want to be set up everything over here. And we are talking about something leaving this world. Because this world will keep you binding again and again, again and again, again and again. What is good here? The person who comes here has 3 things in free. Gets
हमारे पता नहीं 45 है टोटल में तो
Hare Krishna. Please don't unmute in between. Thank you so much. That interrupts me a lot. Okay. So we were saying why we are doing all this? Because we want to stay here in this world. And this world will give you birth, old age, death, and disease. So what's good here? Bhagavad Gita says, Dukhalayam Ashashvatam. Ashashvatam means it's never going to end. It's eternal. This world is temporary, but when you want to leave it, otherwise you are here forever. You have to come out of this world by using some currency. That's what we are going to discuss today. Lust, anger, greed, ego, attachment, jealousy. In Hindi we say Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Mad, Matsarta. Kaam means lust. Because we want more and more and more. We are every time hankering for something new, something new. So we are continuously entangled in all these. And to come out of all these, we need a spiritual currency exchange office, foreign exchange office, where our currency can be converted. These currencies, we have given them very, sugar-coated names, very beautiful names. They don't look bad. These are all bad qualities and look like good qualities. Bad qualities, why? Because they are keeping you in this world. काम क्रोध दास न तार लाठी खाए भ्रमिते भ्रमिते यदि साधु वैद्य पाए तार उपदेश मंत्र पिशाची पलाए कृष्ण नाम ले तबे कृष्ण निकट आए. Calm क्रोध means lust and anger. कामेश क्रोधेश रजोगुण समुद्भव महाशनो महापापमा समसिद्धि वैरिणाम. They are, Guru Maharaj says, ये आपको खा जाएंगे और आपका सब कुछ खा जाएंगे. They are the most devouring qualities. Because you want more, you're hankering after them. And then you're never thinking about to leave this world, which is full of distress. Full of distress. Birth, old age, death, disease is the one. And then is Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmik Klesh. Every day something or the other is there to pinch us. And we are feeling like we are very, very happy in this day. No, we have to first understand this, that we have to leave this world, because there is something different, which is totally opposite. Bhagavad Gita says, Urdhva Moolam Adham Shakham, Ashwatham Prahuravayam, Chandansi Yasya Parnani, Yastam Veda Savedavita. Urdhva Moolam. Urdhva means opposite. Whatever is good here, feels, look like good here, is bad. And whatever is bad looks very good. All these qualities, what we are talking about, lust, anger, greed, people think they are very good qualities because they are like angry young man. We say people are angry young man. He's very passionate about his work, right? He's very ambitious. He wants good position. But what? Position in this material world. This material world means Bhavasagar. Sagar means you cannot cross over the ocean. How you can cross over? When some helicopter is going from the upside and they throw the rope and you catch it. That is the only way. Nobody can swim. Nobody can swim over that ocean. Material ocean is like that. So you have to come out of this world with some spiritual currency, because whatever you are gaining here, it is making you more and more to fix your roots here. And then you have to come out, then you need spiritual currency. And where is that exchange office? So we don't know the office, but we find the officers. And then officers take us to the office. Office is ISKCON temple, and officers are the sadhus. They are here living in this material world, looks everything material, but they have collected all the spiritual currency. The qualities they have, it is totally spiritual. What are the qualities? Qualities, let's discuss. This is the topic, the spiritual currency. Spiritual currency means Nirapeksham Munim Shantam. And our Guru Maharaj continuously, regularly speaks on this topic, and on this shloka particularly. Most of the lectures you will find this. Nirapeksham Munim Shantam, Nirvairam Samadarshanam, Anuvrajami Aham Nityam Puyete Angri Renupi. Nirapeksham. Nirapeksham means he has no apeksha from you. A sadhu is one who takes very less and gives more. He doesn't want anything from you in return. He has no expectations. No lamentation, no expectations. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, na shoshyati na kangshati. Sama sarveshu bhuteshu mad bhakti labhate param. Mad bhakti, the devotee, one who can always remain blissful. A sadhu is always blissful. How does he remain like that? Because he has no expectation, no lamentation. Mad bhakti labhate param. And he is devoted to me. Fully devoted. Anapeksham Munim Shantam. Bhagavad Gita, the full 12th chapter, explains all the qualities. What one is? Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam. Adveshta. Dveshta means he has no jealousy, no competition with any other person. Adveshta. No ill feelings for any other person. He knows only love, trust, and cooperation. This is the currency of the spiritual world. The devotees, the gopis, they all work together. They all serve together with love, trust, and cooperation. And this world means you have to pull the other person's leg. Then you get a position. But that world is like a football game. You understand football? How do you do the goal? Just pass the ball to the other person who is nearest to the goal. Pass the ball to him, then to the other person, and then the goal is yours. That doesn't mean I have to go and run and rush and do the goal. No, I have to pass. The passing is very easy and makes things very simple. So devotees are like that. They are very, very, very simple. Nirapeksham Munim Shantam. this Shant quality. You will hear every shloka, every shloka, every next shloka is going to say Munim Shantam. Shantam means cool-headed. 100 kgs eyes on your head and you are cool in any situation. Once Maharaj was saying, we had an earthquake. We were sleeping and Guru Maharaj said, see, it's earthquake. And Maharaj says, never mind, calm down and sleep. Wow. So much cool. In every situation, I've seen Guru Maharaj is like that. In every situation. I did once, I'll tell you my experience. I did one blunder. We were making Gujarati CD of Gurudev. And that was our first time because I never edited Gujarati lectures. I always used to edit English or Hindi, either of them. But what happened? Maharaj says, edit Gujarati lectures. I want it to be released. I said, okay, Maharaj. But and that was a difficult task because I don't know that language. How will I edit? I was very much confused. So Shyam Sundar Prabhu is Chris. Shyam Sundar Prabhu gave me a very wonderful idea. He said, you can do one thing. Just cut from the starting where you hear the Mangalacharan, and wherever the question answers get over, you cut that portion and the lectures is yours. Edited. Manika, it's very easy. I know, no work inside. So we can do that. But then when I started, I just understood. I was very shocked to hear this, and I'm getting what Guru Maharaj is saying in Gujarati. Why? Because whatever he spoke in English, whatever he spoke in Hindi, same, everything same I'm going to hear now in Gujarati. So I was able to understand what he's saying. I asked Guru Maharaj, Maharaj, I have a few questions. You said, are we the body, the soul, or both? Both means banne. Ke mane atma, sharir, ya banne. Guru Maharaj said like this, banne. Banne means dono, both. So I just got the point. And I asked Guru Maharaj, you said because means etla mate, right? Maharaj says yes. So you are understanding Gujarati. Maharaj, I'm trying to understand, but I don't know. I think I'm getting. Then there were very typical points Guru Maharaj was speaking, and I was like talking to Guru Maharaj, Maharaj, what does this mean? What does this mean? So it was like a wonderful experience. Maharaj says, never leave this service. This service keeps you and me connected. When I go, yes, Maharaj, please give me this blessing that I can do this. Then what blunder I did, I tell you. So Maharaj says, you have to make the cover design also. But Maharaj was very busy, and that time we didn't have the WhatsApp and give the design to Guru Maharaj and give a WhatsApp call and ask him, Maharaj, how can we do this? And please correct. So what we used to do, we used to connect with Gurudev through email ID. And then I sent Maharaj the mail, the design, but Maharaj was very busy. He was in US and he was very busy, and the day was approaching. We had to release the CD. So I was really confused how to do it. So Guru Maharaj gave me a devotee's number who was Gujarati, who was in India, nearby us, just in Panjai Bagh temple. So I called him, and he came and he gave us advice. This is the spelling. These are the words. I said, have you checked? So he was saying, yeah, I am forgetting few things, but most of it is fine. So we had no other option. We said, okay, then we'll release it. We didn't got it checked by Guru Maharaj. He didn't review it. And then when the CD was released, the big blunder was the name of the Guru Maharaj should be His Grace Kratu Das Ji Maharaj, Shriman Kratu Das Ji Maharaj. At that time, we used to write that, not Adhikari. So Shriman Kratu Das Ji Maharaj, and it became Shriman Kratu Dal Ji Maharaj. Oh my God. Dal. And Maharaj was like this, what's this? And we were so happy, Maharaj, we have brought CD. Maharaj, we have brought CD to Vrindavan. Now you can gift it to anyone you want. And there were 2,000 copies. And when Maharaj said, and he said, this is wrong spelling, it is Kratu Dal, I was like shocked. And tears from our eyes. Oh my God, what is this? And I thought I'm going to get good scolding from Guru Maharaj. And he was so smiling. He said, never mind. I was said, Maharaj, there are many, many copies, 2,000. Maharaj said, never mind. We can put a new sticker. But yeah, okay, Maharaj, we can do that. But what now? How will you gift it? Maharaj said, no, nothing like that. We can just gift it with correcting without pens, or we can remove this cover. But Manika Maharaj, what about all the money we have wasted? Maharaj said, no worries, no worries. We'll get it again. Such a humility, the epitome of humility. Yes, Prem Gopika. So what can I say? The whatever Maharaj speaks, he's living. He's a living personality. 3 days before, on the Rath Yatra day, he was singing the song, that Gujarati song sung by Mahatma Gandhi. Always sings that song. What is that? Vaishnav jan to tene kahiye je पीर पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे पण मन अभिमान ना आने दे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए. A Vaishnav is one. A Vaishnav is one. Peer parai jane re. He knows the distress of the other person. Peer parai jane re. Par dukhe upkar kare. He's helping to others. He's very, very compassionate. So much of love carrying in his heart. Tirtham kurvanti tirthani, because he's carrying Krishna in his heart. So Krishna is full of love. So he's full of love. Tirtham kurvanti tirthani. Tirth is made tirth because of these devotees, because they carry Krishna is within their heart. So all compassion comes from Krishna. Krishna says, I reside in the heart of my devotees. So then what is it? Vaishnav janto tene kahiye peer parai jane re par dukhe upakar kare par man abhiman narade. For himself, he has zero. Amanina man dena. He has zero expectation of what? Honor and admiration, distinction. Zero. He doesn't want. He only knows giving. When Aligarh temple was inaugurated, many new devotees came. New devotees who were very junior to Guru Maharaj. And Guru Maharaj was doing their pradakshina. He was cleaning, washing their feet. I was shocked to see all this. So he lives these shlokas. He's a living personality, living all these shlokas. Nirapeksha munim shantam, nirvairam. Nirvairam means he has no enemies. Nirvairam samadarshana. And samadrishti, he loves. Samadrishti me trishna tyagi. He has left all hankerings. Samadrishti. Samam. He's sambhav. And equally loving to all, equally distributing services. Na me dveshti na kankshati. Samadarshti. Then what is it? Anuvrajami aham nityam. Anuvrajami means Krishna is saying to Uddhava, Anuvrajami aham. The devotees, when they walk, I take the dust of their lotus feet and get all the universes within me purified. So this is what Krishna is saying about devotees. Trinadapi sunichena. Tarorev. He's more humble than a blade of grass. Pui sher kit hoy, mui se lagisht. Jagai madhai hoy, mui se papisht. Pui sher, matlab, pui sher kit. The worm in the stool is more, I'm more disgusting than that. Pui sher kit hoy, mui se lagisht. Jagai madhai, I'm more sinful than Jagai madhai. This is what Guru Maharaj is saying. So much tolerance, so much of love, so much of compassion. This is the currency of the spiritual world. Now you are getting all the currency which is entangling you in this material world. Whatever we are doing here is lust, anger, greed. And that you have to leave. Now how will you do it with yourself? You cannot. You need some foreign exchange officer, and that is sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Titikshva. Titikshva means tolerant. Titikshva, karunik, compassionate. Titikshva karuneka, Surya Sarvadehinam. He's friend of all the living creatures. Surya Sarvadehinam, Ajata Shatrava, no enemies. Shanto, again Shanto. Sadhava, Sadhu Bhushanam. Sadhu Bhushanam. This is the ornament of a sadhu. Ornament. The beauty of the sadhu is all these qualities. When I saw Guru Maharaj just 3 days before, he was doing a pranam, offering danvats to the Rath Yatra, the Lord on the Rath, God Nitai. And he was looking so blissful. What a divine darshan we had. I could see that so much of pain he has in his body, but nothing was out from his mind, actions, and words. They are surrendered to the Guru Parampara. These are sadhus. Just so much attraction in them, so much of love, so much. It will. I don't have words to explain. Krishna says, "Na tatha me priyatam, na atmayoni, na shankara." Krishna says to Uddhava, "Ki nobody is as dear to me as a sadhu is." And he is giving comparison with what? Na tatha me priyatam, na atmayoni. No one not is dear to me. Who is not dear to me? Brahma. Na tatha me priyatam, na atmayoni, na shankaro. Na Shankar, Shivji. Na Sankarshano, no Balram, my brother Balram. Na Shribi, my wife, Shri Lakshmi. She is not dear to me. Nevatma, myself. I don't love myself so much as love I have for my devotees. So these all things we are hearing from sadhus. We have never heard about these qualities. So when you hear from them, this is the biggest service. And when you serve them, you get the same qualities which they are having. Same qualities. When you serve them. Shuddha Bhagata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukula Bhagat Seva Parama Siddhi Premalati Keramula. Krishna was talking about the mool, the right root you have to find out. Urdhva Moolam, mool. This is the mool. What is the mool? Bhagat Seva Parama Siddhi. Serving a devotee. Serving a true, a bona fide, a pure devotee. Bhajan Anukula. It is favorable to your bhajan, favorable to your devotion. Bhagat Seva Parama Siddhi. Topmost Siddhi you have attained. Parama Siddhi Prem Lati Keramul. This is the love, the roots of love, the roots to the Krishna's world, the spiritual world. Just serve. How will you get out of this world? Only by the service. What Bharat Maharaj says? Bharat Maharaj says, Rahuganat, na tapasa na yati. Hey Raja Rahugan, na tapasa. You're not coming out of this world with this your tapasya, with all your austerity. Na tapasa na yati. Na chaijyan, with your puja archana, what you do. Nothing like that. Na jal agni suryo, with your all austerities in water and sun, when standing on one leg, nothing going to work. Then how you are going to come? Bina mahatpad, rajo abhisheka. Without singing all these hymns in very beautiful tunes. No, they are not going to work. Then what? Bina mahatpad, rajo abhisheka. You have to take a bath, not just take a small Tika on your head. No, take a bath. Bath from what? From the dust of these devotees. Vina Mahatpad Raj Abhishekam. Abhishek, you have to take a bath. Just serve them. Just serve them. This is what shlokas and Bhagavad Gita, everything is explaining. So how do you get to this? By service. How do you get the spiritual currency? By surrendering and serving. Serving to a pure devotee. Guru Maharaj gave me this editing service. I just really love it. I just really love it. Because every day I hear something new which I want to do, I want to practice, I want to make him happy. Service is the medium of connection between Gurudev and a devotee. So service should be there, something or the other. And as someone who is new, he says, I don't have any service. Hearing is the first service, Vadi Seva. That is the biggest service. Hearing, just hear. Shrunu. Bhakti starts from listening. Listening is the biggest service. And when you listen, you want to do the service, what you have heard. So this is the way. Now you have to start this, and we have to see so many of devotees who are doing this. We from scriptures, we would like to take example of Bhishma Maharaj. What he used to say. Bhishma Maharaj used to say, Iti mati uru kalpita vitrishana Bhagavati Sattvatam Pungave Vibhumini Iti Mati, my mind. And how it is going to be clear? By hearing. So Iti Mati, this, I have my daughter, unmarried daughter, that is my mind. Now I want to marry my daughter to you, Krishna. Iti Mati Uru Kalpitavi Krishna, and it will devour all my lust, my anger, everything. So I just want to surrender unto your lotus feet. Iti Mati Uru Kalpitavi Krishna. I will be free from all this Trishna. Trishna, Samadrishti ne Trishna Tyagi. So you are hearing everything similar from different ways. So much of compassion devotees have. They are writing books. Sri Guru Maharaj, he is not well, but still he wants to write. He said, when he was hospitalized, he said, what am I doing here? I want to write. I'm not able to write here. I'm not able to preach here. So this place is not a place to live here. Devotees are like that. They only want to serve Krishna in any condition, in any way, whatever. So Krishna says, my devotee never perishes. Na me bhakta pranashati, because he's serving me, whether in this world, whether in the spiritual world. Everything is same for him. So these books, we should read, we should distribute. Biggest service, biggest compassion. Gopiya, they are glorifying. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam Kavibhirinditam Kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinanti Ye Bhurida Jana. What are they saying? They are glorifying devotees who are so compassionate, carrying all these scriptures on roads and distributing to people. Tava Kathamritam, your stories. Tava Kathamritam, Tapta Jivanam. Tapta Jivanam. They are going to bring bliss in life. Material education plus spiritual education is equal to bliss. Material education minus spiritual education is equal to distress. This is the equation given by Gurudev. In all his books, we must read them. He's writing for us. He's writing for us, and he wants us to distribute them. Distribute, this is the real love, real compassion. When you will do this, you You will be on higher platform like devotees in scriptures we see. They never leave the charanashraya of Krishna. They never leave. Na padamulam munchanti. They are not away from Krishna's lotus feet. What is that? Gurudev sings. Time is going to over. Let me finish off with this, and then we'll take few questions. What Gurudev was singing, Gujarati bhajan. Let me. What was it? Sukha dukha man mana aaniye घट साथे रे कड़िया ताळ्यात कोई नवतडे रघुनाथ ना जडिया पांच पांडव सखा बांधवा जने द्रौपदी राणी 12 वर्ष वनमा भाम्या नैन निद्रा नानी. What does it mean? Sukha dukha. Devotees are never disturbed by any sukh or dukh. Kunti Maharani says, Vipada santuta shashvat, tatra tatra jagat guru. Vipad means these calamities should come again and again because we get you are near to us in that Krishna. When there was Lakshagre, when there was Vastraharan, you were there with us. Now we have got all this kingdom without you. We don't want it. We just don't want it. So what is that? Sukha dukha manamana ani. Devotees, they have no issues with all this. Sukha dukha manamana aniye ghata sathere gadiya. What is ever happening in my life? No problem. Whether I'm happy, whether I'm some problem, no issues. Sukha dukha manamana aniye ghata sathere gadiya taड़याते koi nav tade Raghunath na jadiya. Leave everything, but do not leave the lotus feet of Krishna. Panch Pandavas, Sakha Bandhava. These 5 Pandavas, they were the friends, they were the devotees of Krishna. And topmost of them was Draupadi Rani. Draupadi. 12 years, Bala Varsha Vanma Bhamya. They were wandering from here and there. Nana Nidra Rani. They were very much disturbed, but happy even because Krishna was there. So Krishna took all their distresses, all their problems, and gave them very, very solutions, quick solutions. So devotees carry this spiritual currency, they carry the spiritual energy, and when you associate with them, you get the same. So this is the way we have to come out of it, by serving the pure devotees of the Lord. This is the only conclusion of this lecture. How to get spiritual currency? Serve these pure, lovable devotees of Krishna. I think we should keep 10 minutes for question answers. Can we wind up, Prabhuji?
Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Yes, thank you so much again for the class. You gave us so many of your experiences, and the conclusion, like you very well said, is to just serve the devotees. So next up, we can take some questions. But before that, Mataji, with your permission, is it okay if I can quickly just share a few upcoming events?
Yes, sure, Mataji. We can do that.
Mataji, so hope you can see my screen. This is our website, iskonofbergen.org. We have all of our speakers' upcoming events here. So if you have not got a chance to see that, please do. As we know, today Mataji gave an amazing class. This Sunday, there will be a class by Rohan Prabhu on the summary of Bhagavad Gita chapter 9. Please do come. Every week we have Friday Bhakti Riksha, and if you have not got yet connected to a Bhakti Riksha in the area, then you can visit our page and join the Bhakti Riksha. Every day we have Bhagavad Gita reading from 12 to 12:15 midday. It's a nice time to catch a break and also get some reading. So please do join that. And every morning, 6 to 8 japa. We also have our ISKCON calendar on our ISKCON of Bergen website, and as well as Ekadashis, and everything is on there. So please visit, and here are some of our recent videos. Today's class will also be up here. So if you want to rewatch, then it'll be up here very soon. So thank you again, Mataji, for the wonderful class. And at this time, I'll invite anyone who has any questions. You can raise your hand or put it in the chat. Gopal Govind Prabhuji.
Yeah. Thank you, Mataji, for beautiful class and nicely sharing your realizations and the glorifying Guru Maharaj as well. On the topic of currency for the spiritual world, I have a little interesting question. Currencies are stolen. Is there any way anybody can steal the spiritual currency?
Nobody can nobody can steal our spiritual currency, because it is a currency with a different scenario. Like what Gurudev gives you. He gives you name, beads, right? And then you have to chant. And what Meera says, does anybody knows what Meera says? Okay, let me sing. पायो जी मैंने नाम रतन धन पायो जी मैंने नाम रतन धन पायो, खर्च न खूटे वाको चोर न लूटे, दिन दिन बढ़त सवायो, पायो जी मैंने नाम रतन धन पायो. The name is that spiritual currency which no one can steal from you. Payo ji maine. This is the biggest currency, biggest money, biggest whatever we say. Biggest, what is the right word for that? Naam Ratan. Ratan means something very much valuable. My all wealth. Naam Ratan Dhan Payo. Kharach na koote. Nobody can treasure. Yeah. Nobody can steal it from you. Kharach na. Nobody can spend it in the market and get something in exchange of that. Very, very precious thing you have. Kharach na koote. Vako chor na loote. Dina dina badat savayo. Day by day, when I chant my Lord's name on the beads, dina din, my ecstasy goes on increasing day by day. Every day, a new spiritual experience is there. So how can anyone steal it? How can someone enter into your heart and take all the glorious name of the Lord from your heart? No, nobody can enter heart except Krishna, because Krishna is residing there. Right? Did I
Yes.
answer you, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji. That's a beautiful answer. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Anybody else has any other questions? Any comments, questions?
Hare Krishna Mataji Dandavat Pranam. Just Professor Prabhupada. Sorry, I joined a little late. Might have missed the initial version. So there is a saying that Lolyam ekapi mulyam. So Lolyam and the Naam. So Lolyam for Naam could be the currency then?
Yes, Lolyam, to take that name. Lolyam means lalaj, the lust for name. So giving a beautiful name to it, Krishna Bhakti. The actual shloka is Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. Yati Kutopya Labhati. You don't get it. It's not easily available. It's only with the foreign exchange officers, sadhus. If you find Kam Krodh Dasahana, Taralati Kaye, Brahmite Brahmite, Yadi Sadhu Vaidya Paye. What do you mean by that yadi? If somehow or the other you meet a devotee, you don't get a chance. Very few people get a chance, and people very easily leave it. Easily they put the devotees into like nothing. They're nothing for us. They're valueless. Gurudev says, Chhadiya Vaishnava Seva Nistar Paive Keva. Chhadiya, if you leave these devotees, how are you going to come out of this world? How will you get mukti? You think you're talking about that? How will you get that? Chhadiya Vaishnava Seva. So, Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati Yadi Kutopi Labhate. If you find Tatra Lolyam Api Ekamulyam. This is the only value which you have to pay, that you should have the greed. When you want to get into an admission to an NIT, how do you get? First, you think I should get that. And my daughter is planning for IPMAT. So first thing is she should get it in my mind. Yes, I have to do this. When you have to go to Vrindavan by driving, first you have to fix the destination. I have to do it. Then you drive and then you reach. Similarly, when you are studying, first you have to fix, I have to get it. Then you study, then you get the degree. So Sambandh Abhiday Prayojan. First you have to fix, I have to get an admission over there. IIT, I want this. IPMAT, I want this. Now you have to study hard. That hard is the chanting of the names. So first thing is Lolyam, and second thing is this name. So how do you get this name? When you have Lolyam. And sadhus, they take all your currency and get it converted. What is it? Krishna seva kam arpan krodha bhakta dveshi jana lobha sadhu sanke hari katha moha ishta labhe bina mad Krishna guna gane niyukta karibo yathata tha. They are placing all your currencies into the right place. Krishna Seva Kam Arpan. How is Kam going? With Krishna Seva. But first thing is, you want this. You want this. When you want, the steps are there for you. Right? So shall I explain all these points, or is it okay? Because I think your time is getting over.
Yes,